My dad left Iran with myself and my little brother because he wanted a better life than he had in Iran. My name is Moshtagh Mohammadi and I am a refugee. You cannot go and really tell everyone that you're a Baha'i because you will get thrown out of school or get thrown in jail. So as a child growing up, that really brought us together just because we knew the struggles that we're facing and how much myself and my little brother needed to help my dad out. In 2002, I went to Turkey, and for a year and a half we lived there under the UN's protection until a country would accept us. And at the end of 17 months, it ended up being Canada. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Moshtagh Mohammadi. I knew I wanted to go into civil because it put the math side of me and the creative side of me together into one career. I received the Marshall J. Heineke Award, and it made me really feel special. It gave me a big source of encouragement to keep going. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Moshtagh. When I come to school every day, I try to remind myself that there's thousands of students like you in Iran that cannot do what you're doing. My dad brought me out of that country for this reason.
What would you like to say to your dad right now?
I don't say this to him enough. I'd love to say two things to him. Thank you, and I love you.